So today the topics which will be covered today are meaning and definition of physical education, aims and objectives of physical education, career options in physical education, competitions in various national and international level. Last is Khelo India program. So we'll start with the meaning and definition of physical education. What is physical education otherwise? Physical education means related to your body. The misconception about physical education was this, that physical education is related only up to games, mass PT and rhythmic exercises, Lyceum, dumbbell. But now physical education has reached to its heights. All the syllabus is totally changed. Now there is a theory also which will cover 70 marks theory and 30 marks practical. 100 marks paper will be there. So firstly we will talk about physical education. What is physical? Physical is related to your body. If your body is fit, means your all organs are working properly, then you are physically fit. That is physical, means related to your body. Clear? Next is education. What is education? Education, it's a doing phenomena. It's not confined up to the classroom only. Education, it can be done anywhere, in the ground, library, at home. It's confined to the classroom only. Clear? That is physical education. Now next is the term, what is the definition of physical education? Both the meaning is different and definition is different. If the question will come like this, what is the meaning of physical education, then you have to write the meaning. And if the question is like this, that define physical education, then you have to write the definition of physical education. So the definition of physical education according to J.V. Nash. Physical education, and listen, in meaning you can write in your own words, but definition should be accurate. But it is written by J.V. Nash. Clear? So physical education is the phase of all around education with big muscle activities and their related responses. Clear? So definition should be like this only. You don't write the definition now, because I will provide the notes. In the notes, each and everything is clear to you. Clear? So this is definition. So the difference between meaning and definition is this, that in the meaning you will write the meaning, and meaning should be, you can write meaning in your own words, but definition should be accurate, like this only. Clear? So it was meaning and definition of physical education. Next is, what are aims and objectives of physical education? What is aim? What is aim? Aim is a goal which you want to achieve. And what are objectives? Objectives are the steps taken to achieve that aim. That is called objective. Clear? What is aim? Aim, just as aim, what you have decided. Some want to become an engineer, some want to become a doctor. So what are the objectives? Objectives are this, that firstly they have to do 11th and 12th. After that they will prepare for the competition. That will be the objectives. Aim is you have to become a doctor or engineer. Clear? So aims and objectives of physical education is all around the development of a child. Clear? Aim and objectives of physical education is all around development of child. So the points here are aims and objectives of physical education. First is physical development. What is first physical development? So what is physical development? Physical development is related to body, but physical development is possible only when you will participate in physical activities. You will play any sports and games. Clear? So physical development is possible only when you will participate in various games and sports. Physical development means your all the body organs will work properly, or they are working properly, and they will work properly only when you will participate in physical activities. Next is emotional development. So what is emotional development? Emotional development is also possible by physical activity. So because in emotions, what comes in emotions? At the time of losing and at the time of emotional development. So what is emotional development? Emotional means so many emotions are with us. At the time of playing, at the time of winning, rather, when we win and when we lose, at the time we have to control our emotions. We don't have to show the aggression at the time. So that is emotional development. Emotional development is possible only while taking part in physical activities, and that is possible only in physical education. Next is social development. Social development is also possible by participating in physical activities. In social development, what is there? In social development, as the player go to so many states to play, and so many states come here to play, so many players come here to play, so they mingle with each other, the tradition, their eating habits, so many things are there. And main thing is that social development, it is possible only by participating in physical activities, that they will understand the feeling of each other, cooperation is there, okay, friendly behavior they will do with the players. So this is only possible by participating in physical activities. Next is neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination. Clear? Neuromuscular coordination is, neuro means related to your nervous system and muscular means muscles. Clear? What is neuromuscular coordination? Let me give you the example. In the beginning, when infant is there, he doesn't know how to talk, how to walk. Clear? So at the time of walking, means walking is, what is walking? In the walking, hand and feet or legs will work together. Clear? For example, at the time of march pass, it's left, right, left hand will go forward and right foot will go. But what is happening in the beginning, that what you will do, right hand will go, right leg will go, left hand will go and left leg will go. Okay, so that is neuromuscular coordination. At the time of swimming, what is swimming? Swimming, hands and legs should work together. Clear? In the basketball game, 2.5 steps you have to take, lap shot you have to take, but your neuromuscular coordination is not there, so it takes time. So neuromuscular coordination is only possible by participating in physical activities. As infants also, you have seen that how they walk in the beginning like this. Clear? Because their neuromuscular coordination is not developed, and that is developed only by participating in physical activities or doing that activity again and again. Clear? That is neuromuscular coordination. Next is leadership qualities. What is next? Leadership qualities. Leadership qualities are also developed by participating in physical activities. Okay, as in the games you will become a captain. You know how many responsibilities you will have, because leader is a man who will lead his group successfully. Clear? So leadership qualities are also developed by physical education. Clear? So these are the 5 points: aims and objectives. If the question is like this, what are aims and objectives of physical education? You will enlist the points. So many points are there, as spiritual development is there, mental development is there, mental development is there. What you will do if the question is like this, that 5-mark question is there, that what is the meaning of physical education, right? Aim and objectives of physical education. What you will do, you will enlist all the points: physical development, emotional, social, neuro, leadership, spiritual development, mental development, and you will explain only 5 points in this. Clear? Then your question will be completed. And heading, sub-heading should be underlined. So this was your second topic: aims and objectives of physical education. Now the third one is career options in physical education. Career options in physical education. So first is in schools. PETs, sports teacher, PGTs, means PETs. PETs first to fifth. Clear? Then sports teacher is there, who will take your games classes. PGTs are there. PGTs means postgraduate teacher, those who will teach 11th and 12th. It's also a career option in physical education. Clear? In teaching. Next is college. College DPs or lecturer. Clear? It's also a good career option in physical education. Next is in college, universities, professor. Clear? Next is in schools, PETs, sports teacher, PGTs, college DPs, and university professors. Clear? Next is professional players. Professional players, as in IPL, you know how much money they are getting there. IPLs, then in football league is started, kabaddi league is there, hockey league is there. So many career options are here in physical education. Next is sports photojournalism. Now you have seen the sports books. Sports books are there. There, a sports star is there. So whatever the photograph is taken there, that is taken by a photojournalist. Sports photojournalist. Those who do journalism, they are a photojournalist. Clear? They will take the photograph, they will give the photograph to them. It's also a good career option in physical education. Next is sports journalist. What they do, they will cover the news related to sports. When are the tournaments? How the fixture is decided? All thing is done by these sports journalists. Means sports journalist will give the news related to sports and games only. Next is physiotherapist. every team is having their own physio. Clear? Those who tell about the warming up, limbering down, and which exercises are to be done, which muscle you have to develop, and which exercise you have to done, that is done by physiotherapist. And one more thing is done by physiotherapist, that is rehabilitation of sports injuries. Means how injuries you have to these injuries, how you can cure from the injuries, what you have to do, ice application you have to do, or what you have to do, that is done by the physiotherapist. Means treatment of various sports injuries, soft tissue injuries or acute injuries. Now next is physiotherapist is there. Next is how many other in schools, college, DP, universities, professor, professional players, sports photojournalist, sports journalist, physiotherapist, sports trainer, gym trainers, sports trainer, gym trainer. So many career options are there in physical education. Actually, these are the 9 career options. Others also you can take. Anyone, anything it comes in your mind, then also you can. One more is there, that officials of player. Officials means as umpires are there, those who officiate the games or sports. Officials, it's also career option. It's not that in sciences or other subjects career option is there. In sports, full of career options are there. Clear? Means you just have to identify that in which you have to go. Clear? These are the career options in physical education. Now, next topic is federations, various federation, international and national level. How many federations are there? As Basketball Federation of India, Hockey Federation of India, PCCI is separate one. Clear? So, which tournament comes in this? In basketball, in football, how many cups are there? In badminton, clear? That is done in this. That I will provide in the notes only. Okay. Now next is the very important topic, that is Khelo India program. Clear? Khelo India program. Actually, Khelo India program, it is started by our worthy Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, and in 2018 it was inaugurated by Modi ji, and at the time sports minister was Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore. He did a great effort for the players. Now from that day the players are coming up. Means main motive of Khelo India program is this, that from the grassroots we have to pick the players and we have to give the facilities. We have to make new grounds. If the facility of ground is not there, we will provide the grounds, infrastructure. That is done only after Khelo India program. And for Khelo India program, 2 types of tournament are there. Under 17 tournament and under 21 tournament is there. Clear? For under 17 and under 21 tournament. So all the games are included in this: basketball, football, hockey, badminton, but cricket is not included in this Khelo India program. And in Khelo India program, 100 athletes are selected. In that 100 athletes, this Khelo India central government will give 5 lakh rupees for 8 years regularly to make a good player. Clear? Khelo India program, it was developed to take the players from the grassroots, because the players, those who play in rural area, the players were very good, but they were not having the facilities, they were not having the platform to play. So Khelo India initiated the things, and we are very grateful to Khelo India program. It is started from 2018 and it is held in January, first time in January at Indira Gandhi Stadium, Delhi. Inaugurated by Modi ji, and Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore at the time of sports minister was there. So the criteria for this Khelo India program is under 17, and at national level the player who have played will go in Khelo India and he will perform there. The tournament, it's not zone wise, it's all India level. And from there they will pick the players, good players, and what they will do, they will give scholarship to them for 8 years, and it will be 5 lakh rupee per year. And that 5 lakh rupee is given only for their coaching, their diet, and for the player only. And directly the amount will come in their account. That money will come in their account only. Clear? So I think all these points are clear to you. I will send you the notes and go through these notes also. And I think all the topics are clear to you. If any query is there, you can give a message in WhatsApp. Clear? So thank you so much.